New Orleans, Louisiana, and Caesars Superdome, the site of one final dress rehearsal for the Chargers. Taking on the New Orleans Saints as we storm towards a fantastic start to this regular season. It should be fun, it should be action-packed, and we should have all the action for you right here. Welcome to the Superdome. No Eagle, the Hall of Famer Dan Fouts. We've gotten very close in the last couple of weeks, so we share a microphone now right here on the field. We've got the Hall of Famer LaDainian Tomlinson and Haley Elwood with us as well. But Dan, it's all led to this moment now, and the Chargers got some unfortunate news earlier in the week. That was their star acquisition on the defensive side.